Are you a trader looking to break free from capital limitations? Imagine trading big, keeping the profits, and never risking your own money. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, at MyFundedFX, it's a reality. Let's unpack how this revolutionary prop firm can transform your trading journey. MyFundedFX is one of the best prop trading platforms. It has 31.5k subscribers and rating 4 on Trustpilot. Today I'm going to break down 4 different challenges you can take on, how to approach them, and exactly what it takes to pass each phase. And by the way, these aren't your typical trading challenges, they come with real-world rules and drawdown limits, so you can see if you've got what it takes to trade like a pro. Let's jump in. The One-Step Challenge. First up, we have the One-Step Challenge. This is the fastest route to a funded account and perfect for traders who want to prove themselves quickly. Here's how it works. Profit target, 10% of the account balance. Max daily drawdown, 4%. Max total drawdown, 6%. Minimum trading days, 1 day. Registration fee, $50. You've got just 1 day to start the challenge and a 30-day timeframe to hit that 10% profit target. The biggest challenge here is managing the tight drawdown limits, only a 4% daily drawdown and 6% total. So, the focus is all about low-risk trading, good strategy, and maintaining a solid risk-to-reward ratio. You don't need to take huge risks to hit that 10%, you just need to stay consistent. Here's what I did. I went with a scalping strategy with tight stop losses, targeting small, quick moves. The smaller drawdown limits mean you have to be extra disciplined with your entries and exits. It's all about playing it safe but steady, get that 10% without blowing your risk parameters. The Two-Step Challenge. Next, let's dive into the Two-Step Challenge, which gives you a little more time to make it through. This challenge is perfect for those who want a bit more flexibility in their trading. Here's the breakdown. Phase 1. Profit target, 8% of the account balance. Max daily drawdown, 5%. Max total drawdown, 10%. Minimum trading days, 1 day. Registration fee, $100. Phase 2. Profit target, 5% of the account balance. Max daily drawdown, 5%. Max total drawdown, 10%. Minimum trading days, 1 day. The two-step challenge is split into 2 phases. In phase 1, you need to hit an 8% profit in 30 days, and if successful, you move on to phase 2 where you need to make a 5% profit in 60 days. The drawdown limits are higher than in the one-step challenge, which gives you a bit more flexibility with trade sizes. For this one, I focused on a swing trading strategy with a good balance between longer-term positions and smaller intraday trades. The key here is consistency, take your time, don't rush, and keep refining your approach as you move through each phase. Also, keep that 5% daily drawdown in check, don't let one bad day ruin your progress. The Two-Step Max Challenge. Now, let's talk about the Two-Step Max Challenge. This challenge is pretty similar to the regular two-step, but with larger drawdown limits, making it perfect for traders who like to take on bigger positions. Here's what you need to know. Phase 1. Profit target, 8% of the account balance. Max daily drawdown, 10%. Max total drawdown, 12%. Minimum trading days, 1 day. Registration fee, $200. Phase 2. Profit target, 5% of the account balance. Max daily drawdown, 10%. Max total drawdown, 12%. Minimum trading days, 1 day. With the 2-step max challenge, the larger drawdown limits, 10% daily, 12% total, give you more breathing room, so you can take on bigger trades or ride out market volatility a little longer. For me, this was the opportunity to take on some larger position trades without worrying too much about hitting those drawdown limits. Of course, even with the increased limits, good risk management is still essential. I used a multi-timeframe analysis approach to identify the most profitable trends and set my stops accordingly. The 3-step challenge. And now for the granddaddy of them all, the 3-step challenge. This is the most comprehensive challenge, spanning over 3 phases and giving you a full 90 days to prove your trading consistency. If you're in it for the long haul and want to show your ability to trade over a longer period of time, this is the challenge for you. Here's how it works. Phase 1. Profit target, 10% of the account balance. Max daily drawdown, 5%. Max total drawdown, 10%. Minimum trading days, 1 day. Registration fee, $300. Phase 2 and 3. Profit target, 5% of the account balance each phase. Max daily drawdown, 5%. Max total drawdown, 10%. Minimum trading days, 1 day. The 3-step challenge is about showing long-term consistency. You've got 90 days in total, 30 days in phase 1 and 60 days to hit 5% profit in phases 2 and 3. This is the one to take if you're confident in your ability to trade over a longer period and can handle a more methodical, slow and steady approach. For this, I went with a combination of swing trading and position trading. The key is to stay consistent through all 3 phases. As you get into phase 2 and 3, you'll need to adjust your strategy to account for slower, more strategic growth. Alright, let's talk about the roadblocks. No challenge is without its obstacles, and here's how I handled a few of them. Psychological pressure. The pressure's real. When you're trying to hit those targets within a set time frame, it's easy to get emotional, especially when things aren't going your way. The trick? Patience. I reminded myself that it's a marathon, not a sprint. If I hit a losing streak, I just took a step back, reviewed my trades, and recalibrated. Risk management. The biggest hurdle is managing risk while trying to hit those profit targets. I made sure to always use tight stops and never risk more than 1% per trade. Even when you've got larger drawdown limits, keeping good risk management ensures that you don't blow up your account. Adapting to market conditions. The market doesn't always cooperate, and sometimes, low volatility or sideways movement can test your patience. But that's part of the game. Learning to adapt is crucial. Always be ready to adjust your strategy depending on the market environment. So, what are the biggest takeaways? Discipline is everything. Trust your strategy, don't chase profits. Risk management is non-negotiable. Protect your capital, and let the profits come to you. Adaptability, the market will throw curveballs. Stay flexible and adjust as needed. And finally, take your time, don't rush. Each challenge has its own pace, so follow it, stay focused, and the results will come. There you have it, the ultimate guide to the funded FX challenges. Whether you're starting with the 1-step, taking on the 2-step, or going all the way with the 3-step, there's a challenge here for you to prove your skills. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and strategies.